In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use multiple AI agents in Paperclip AI. By following these steps, you will be able to create and manage your AI agents efficiently within the platform. Begin by navigating to the Paperclip dashboard. This is the central hub where you will manage your AI agents. Ensure that you are logged into your account before proceeding. Once you are on the dashboard, look for the option labeled Company on the interface. Next, click on Company to access the company management section. This area allows you to configure various settings related to your organization and agents. After selecting Company, you will see the option to name your company. Click on this to start the naming process. After that, type in your desired company name in the provided text box. Ensure that the name is unique and accurately reflects your organization. Once you have entered the name, click on Next to move forward in the setup process. You will now arrive at the agent setup page. Click on Agent to begin creating your first AI agent. This section will guide you through the necessary steps to configure your agent effectively. Look for the option that says Create your first agent and click on it to proceed. Once you have initiated the agent creation, select Gemini CLI. This is the interface where you can choose the type of model for your agent. After selecting this, you will be prompted to select model. Choose the appropriate model that fits your needs. Following this, click on Auto to enable automatic settings for your agent. This will streamline the configuration process. Next, select Gemini 2.0 Flash as your agent type to utilize the latest features available. Continue by clicking on Tests Now to verify the settings you have chosen. This step is essential to ensure that everything is working correctly before finalizing the setup. After testing, click on Next to proceed to the task assignment phase for your agent. At this stage, you will need to specify a task title. This title should clearly describe the purpose of the agent. Optionally, you can also add a description to provide more context. Click on Launch to finalize the agent creation process. You will then see a confirmation screen indicating that your agent is ready to launch. Click on Ready to Launch to finalize the setup. Finally, click on Create an Open Issue to manage any tasks or issues related to the agent you have just created. After completing the agent setup, navigate to the Issues section in Paperclip. This area allows you to manage any issues related to, you may want to allow your CEO to handle agent setup as they are familiar with the organizational structure. If you prefer to handle the configuration yourself, click on I want advanced configuration myself. This will provide you with additional options to customize your agent settings. Next, select Open Claw Gateway to access specific agent. From here, click on New Agent to create a new agent tailored to your specific requirements. Enter the name of your new agent in the designated field. Following this, click on Adapter to choose the necessary integrations for your agent. Select the appropriate adapter type for your agent. Click on Open Claw Gateway to proceed with this integration. You will also need to enter the gateway URL for OpenClaw to ensure proper connectivity. Type in the gateway URL and then click on Create Agent to finalize the creation process. Once the agent is created, navigate to the Inbox section to manage communications and tasks for your agent. Click on Hire Agent Jarvis to initiate the hiring process for your newly created agent. After this, proceed to approve the agent by clicking on Approve. This action confirms the hiring of the agent and will lead you to the final confirmation screen. Finally, click on Approval Confirmed to complete the hiring process. You can now open your hired agent to begin utilizing its capabilities within your organization. This concludes the tutorial on using multiple AI agents in Paperclip AI. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.